Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send BASECAMP notifications to Slack with Zapier. All right. So first off, go ahead and create your free Zapier account. And once you're here on your dashboard, go to the top left, click on Create, then click on Zaps. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, let's go ahead and create our trigger event, which normally starts with BASECAMP. All right. So just type in BASECAMP in the search bar. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, just click on the available option. Now, once that's done, go ahead and select your trigger event. It could be a new comment, a new message, new to-do list. Just for example, I'm going to go ahead and maybe select new message. Okay. And then once done, just go ahead and click on sign in right here and sign in with your BASECAMP account. Now, once that's done, hit on continue, select an account, project, right? And select the message board. By default, you will have one message board. So just go ahead and select it, hit on continue. And once done, just test the trigger. Click on test. Now in here, select the message record. So I'm just going to go ahead and select maybe a V2C right here and hit on continue. Now, after that, just tap away and click on action. And then here, we're going to be using Slack, of course. Now, let's go ahead and find Slack. Right here, if you can't find it right away, just type down Slack, like so. Wait for it to load. Now go ahead and click on it. And once done, just go ahead and sign in with your Slack account. There'll be a pop-up right here. Just follow the simple prompts, hit on allow. Wait for it. And then once done, go ahead and select an action event. Maybe send channel message or create channel message. Okay, so you can see here we have a ton of options. Maybe I'm just going to go ahead and select send channel message or update profile, you name it. All right, maybe send a direct message right here. I'm going to go ahead and hit on next or continue. The username right here, click on the drop down and maybe select your own account or maybe the Slack bot. You go ahead and choose the Slack bot right here. And then for testing, go ahead and enter the text message. And if you want to add in some field, right, for field mapping, just write down / and select from one of these data. All right. Now, if not, just for the testing, okay, I'm just going to go ahead and say hi. And then once done, the bot name right here, maybe I'm going to name it the bot. Bot icon, select one if you want to, or just leave it. Okay. Leave it empty, hit on continue. Now go ahead and test this step. All right. Wait for it. As you can see here, we now got a check mark. Both of these got a check mark. So all you need to do next is just hit on publish. Now, when you hit on publish right here, everything will go online. Okay. Whenever there's a new message in a BASECAMP, Zapier right here will request to Slack to send a direct message. All right. In my case, I selected a direct message to the bot. Okay. Now you can just go ahead and easily close this one and expect that everything right here will be automated. And that is it. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.